What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel, Big T's Recipes. It's almost St. Patrick's Day. I've got my green on, and we're gonna make an American style shepherd's pie. Let's check this out. First thing you wanna do is get your potatoes boiling. I've got about 2 pounds of just chopped Yukon Gold potatoes. I've got a pot of water. We're gonna put them in, get them to a boil. They're probably gonna take 15 to 20 minutes until they're fork tender. This is gonna be the topping of our shepherd's pie. All right, I've got 2 pounds of ground beef here. You can use whatever type you like. And when I say it's an American style, shepherd's pie is generally made with ground lamb, but you know, us Americans change things up. We're going with the beef today. We're gonna brown this meat, and then we're gonna drain the fat. Okay, we've got our meat browned. It's draining right now. I am gonna add a little salt to the potatoes that are about to boil. And then we're going in with our onions and carrots. We wanna cook these for about 5 to 10 minutes just until they soften up, and we'll add our meat mixture back. Veggies are soft. I'm gonna add the meat back in with the veggies. Do a little stir. And I wanna take 2 tablespoons of flour, cover the meat, mix that well to incorporate. Probably do this for about 1 minute. Once the flour's mixed, I'm gonna mince 3 cloves of garlic. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of beef broth, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of that good W sauce, the Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And get that mixed well. We want to let this mix, incorporate, and we're going to simmer this on a medium to low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Right as the meat starts to simmer, I took some fresh thyme, throw that in there. Just a great herbal flavor that's really just going to brighten this dish up. Get that stirred in, cut it to a low, cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, after about 10 minutes, we want to add our frozen peas. Just get those mixed. And we will be on to our potatoes because I actually just drained those as well. Time to assemble. I've got my oven preheated on 375 degrees. I've got a greased baking dish, casserole dish. I'm gonna put my meat mixture in. And then we're just gonna top with our creamy mashed potatoes. Bake at 375 for 35 minutes. Let it rest for about 10 minutes once you pull it out. Man, what a hit with this shepherd's pie. We've taken a European tradition, Americanized it to make it our own. I cannot wait to take a bite. It hits every aspect that you want. The creaminess of the potato, the savory from the meat, you get a little bit of crunch from the veggies, and that nutritional value. Parents, if you have small children that don't want to eat their vegetables, put this on their plate and I guarantee they will eat every bite. Thanks for checking out my channel. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe. I've got to go in for another bite. Cheers. What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out my channel. That's fine. Turn the right one on, how about that? Little kids, they're gonna ask for seconds. I promise. That was terrible.